to show you guys IKEA, which is like super popular and crazy big stores in the Mall of Asia.
So let's go explore IKEA. But now for the main attraction, which is IKEA. The entire thing is IKEA.
There's also a third floor on IKEA. There's a Swedish restaurant right here. So that is the menu. You guys can see it over there. And there's a crazy view out here. You want to show them the view by the window here?
So here is the view. So it's 2 floors, 2 or 3 floors of IKEA. So I researched it. They say that this place is like around probably one of the biggest IKEAs in the world.
Damn, really?
So it's gonna be insane. Swedish cafe. Ooh, smells nice. So hedge means high in Swedish. Cool, like co-working space. Hopefully there's Wi-Fi. But what we just noticed is that they have like 20 cafes here. I think IKEA is a Swedish-based furniture store.
I never thought about that.
Right?
Coffee, endless coffee. Yeah, it must be, right?
In the Swedish food market. It's endless, guys. These rows, endless. Endless. Nice couches here, guys. These very nice couches. I don't know, it's like $200 something. Hello.
That's it?
Kuya. I'm good, Kuya. You? So much here. Like tools for building stuff. Yeah, all the cashiers are wearing like Swedish shirts. And also they had Swedish bakeries and all kinds of stuff.
Look, we have the shopping carts here, so you can buy.
Wow, check this out.
There might be a view. There's a window. Look at this, guys. This is really nice. I guess it's a big church. Here's the parking lot for Mall of Asia. Palm trees. Wow, this is so nice. Is it, guys? Is this like a mosque or a Christian church?
It's like a church.
Kind of looks like the mosque that we see in Malaysia, but I'm guessing here it's just a big Christian church. Guys, Austin's like never been to IKEA because he's never owned a home before.
Yeah, we're
So
just
he's, like,
nomads,
shocked.
and so we don't own homes. We travel the world and make that our home.
So
Right,
guys, this
so
place is
basically
endless.
it's just like endless amount of these massive boxes of everything.
Yeah, Austin is excited because he's never really been here, so he wants to keep exploring the store. They have everything, all the house needs, furniture, chairs.
This is all Swedish.
Guys, look how nice this dresser is. It's only 12,000 PHP.
$200.
How nice is that? $200. That's awesome. That's a great deal. And also the other side and stuff like that.
This is a real cowhide right here, guys.
We think it's real. I hope not.
I think so.
But
It's got the same type of colors.
guys, there's a map here of Sweden. So yeah, it's definitely a Swedish company.
Yeah, it smells like wood for sure. This is crazy. It's endless.
Yeah, all of this stuff, like outdoor furniture, very nice. Oh, here's a barbecue grill. Ooh, this right here. $44.
Alright guys, so this IKEA in the Philippines is 3 floors of everything that you need. So guys, we're kind of lost in here, guys. It's insane. This place is...
We kept walking, guys. We got like lost. There's
massive.
so much to go through. I know. So guys, I am just like literally dreaming right now of me and Austin's wedding because guys, how gorgeous are these frames like to put your wedding photos in? It's so nice. It's so nice.
There you
Yeah. Oh, there's more. Yeah, guys, it's just endless. There's so many frames and just in this area. Alright guys, we couldn't help it. We came upstairs. So this is the showroom. Look, basically displaying like a little studio here. They even have a piece of bread on display. They show the dishes and just give you really like a feel of what it's like here in the showroom, showing all of this stuff in like a studio apartment basically. So you got the bed over here, living room, everything. What do you think about this?
Yeah, it's really cool. Seeing the price over there, they said it's like around 200,000 PHP for all of this put together. So
Oh no, no, that's just for the kitchen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, come up to the showroom. This is everything here. So there's like so much on display. It's pretty crazy.
Check this one out.
Oh, this is more of like
Oh, you got a TV playing?
a house and everything. We have a TV playing here. It's very cool, guys. So this is the 3rd floor in IKEA. So guys, on this floor there's like 9 different showrooms just in one area, and there's another market. But there's this crazy like vanity, crazy walk-in closet, and just like so many cool showrooms here, guys. It's incredible. Guys, I have like all these layouts with the desk, all the wedding photos here. It's just so nice. So beautiful and cool to see. It's amazing though, guys, how they fit all this on one floor, all these different showrooms. We just got back home to our apartment in the Makati area. So this is the terrace of our apartment, and
IKEA is 4 different floors, guys. The ground floor all the way up to the 4th floor.
Yeah, guys, when we came back home in the Uber, we realized that IKEA starts from ground.
Yeah, the ground floor. It was already like 3 floors, but it's actually 4 floors, and it's like just endless.
Yeah, guys.
You could get lost on one floor. It goes for like a mile or 2.
To come experience it for yourself.
Experience it for yourself, because
it's hard to show everything, guys. It's so overwhelming. It's
hard, but we tried our best. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.
Make sure you like this video, subscribe,
comment down below
where to go next in the Makati, Manila area, what you think about it from watching this video. So make sure you guys share this video with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the video up here.
Yes, watch the videos up here.
Bye, guys.